Candace and Headfoot Mooney. High five. Fist bump. Go get that biscuit. He's cheeky today. So we got the November 2016 Fandom of the Month Club. Not typically, but sometimes Erin Maynard, who owns Fandom of the Month Club, she will give hints on her Instagram. And I've looked a couple times and I didn't see any hints that alludes to the theme. But I've also not had much time to keep up with it as she has either. Those moving stuff. So it's as much surprise to me as it is to all of you. So, let me turn this around. So I see this could be several different things. I think this is the I think this is the anniversary box. I think. I don't know. We'll just have to see. But this looks like a multi-fandom this month. Look at the card. Fandom of the Month Club member. Where are you going? Here, come here. Come here. Want biscuit? Come here. Here, look. Dummy, sit. Padfoot, quit! Look, sit. Sit. And take a picture of you. Get out. Not prepared as usual. I just love taking pictures of the box. So anyway, we've got our card. It says Fandom of the Month Club, and I see Star Wars, Harry Potter, Doctor Who, Wizard of Oz, Once Upon a Time, Lord of the Rings. So we've got several fandoms represented there today. This one. I do believe something very magical can happen when you read a good book. J.K. Rowling. I can't put this on my fridge since I'm moving and I took all my magnets down. This will go on my new fridge when I move. So, when you open the box, this is what you see. Everything in tissue paper. And I believe, and it is an anniversary. And I do believe Erin says starting in the new year, they're moving from these little bags to zippered ones. Which is cool, but I like them. I like these bags. And this says, the Fandom of the Month Club 2-year anniversary. So I was right. It's anniversary. So, let's see what we got. First off, oh! Sweet! First thing we got is some Jack Skellington earrings. Super cute! I gotta get me some of those plugs for my ears that you can put earrings in. So next thing we got is a feather. Alright. I took a peek. I think I saw something I recognize. So we got a feather. The stories we love best do live in us forever. And it's chock full of goodies this month. So we got a necklace that says live long and prosper. A little baggie. it's not a necklace. It is a bracelet. Freaking frack here. There we go. Very cute. Oh, did you guys even see it? I think it flipped over. That says live long and prosper. 2 more things to go. What is this? Something else in the baggie. I love my Ravenclaw hat, but it does not want to stay on my head. So we got this necklace. Oh, okay, this is Dr. Oh, no. There's several things in here. There's a TARDIS, a lightning bolt, an R2-D2. And a couple other things are just so small I can't make them out. But I love these long chain necklaces. And I have to get a better picture of it at the end. But it's got a little pieces of Fandom jewelry in there. Fandom charms. And the last thing, and I always wanted one of these. I'm so happy. And it is a keychain, but I'd love to make this a necklace. But it is Hermione Granger's Time Turner from Prisoner of Azkaban. Oh, doesn't. I think in the film she like turned the little knobs on the side and it made it spin, but doesn't quite work that way. Let's see. But there we go. Very cool. So this was an awesome box. Absolutely loved it. It's just awesome. What an awesome box to be my last Fandom of the Month club in this house. Yay. Oh, not to say, that was a great box. Lots of awesome fandoms represented here. I loved it. So, if you have not checked out Fandom of the Month club, definitely check them out. They're like the best fandom box for fangirls. I guess fanboys too. I mean, if you like to wear this kind of jewelry. No judgments here. But definitely check out Fandom of the Month Club. They do an awesome box. I've loved everything I've gotten from them. So that's it for us. So Mama just had dinner, but now it's time for the padster. And here I am sitting here feeding them biscuits. Where'd it go? Go get it! I swear it never gets old. He's looking for it. Here it is! Come get your biscuit! Here! Look. Up! Sit! What do we tell everybody? Say like. Like. Make a like a like. You can comment. Subscribe! Oh, that's my finger! High five me! High five me! Side fight me! Fist bump! Double fist bump! Kisses! Mwah! There you go. Good job. And that's it for us, guys. Peace. Say night-night, bubby. Get out of that Indian stuff. Come say bye-bye.